Hello students, how are you? I hope you all are perfectly fine at your home and enjoying the online classes from LPM Public School. Students, this is Akansha Pandey from LPM Public School and I am your subject teacher of science. Students, as we know that your chapter number 6, the name of this chapter, living things and non-living things, is in proceeding. So the all explanation related to this chapter are over and the all exercise has been solved by ourselves. And now today I am going to explain about the some keyword given from this chapter. Students, you can see here the some keywords related to this related to your chapter 6. First keyword is living things. Students, do you know about living things? Students, as we know that the all living things that move, grow, breathe, need food, feel changes and reproduce are called living things. It means all which things that move, grow, breathe, need food, feel changes and reproduce as like the human being, animals, bird and plants are also a living thing. So, example of living things: plant, animal, human being, bird and plant. And now the next keyword is non-living things. What is which type of thing known as the non-living things? Students, as we know that things that do not move, do not grow, do not breathe, and do not need food, and do not feel changes around them, and do not reproduce are called non-living things. Students, that things never they can grow, do not breathe, and do not feel changes around them, and do not reproduce. So, those things are called non-living things, as like the chair, table, paper, etc. And third keyword is stomata. Students, what is stomata? As we know that the all plants are also a living things, and the many types of leaves you can see around them. So, in the leaves, stomata is present, and tiny holes in the leaves through which plants breathe are called stomata. It means leaves made tiny holes of the leaves, which is the plants through which plants breathe are called stomata. Means प्लांट्स जिसके थ्रू ब्रीथ करते हैं वो स्टोमेटा कहलाता है. Example, the tiny holes inside the leaves. And fourth, reproduction. What is the reproduction, students? The process by which living things produce more of their own kind is called reproduction. Students, the process by which living things produce more of their own kind is called reproduction. Means जिस प्रोसेस के थ्रू लिविंग थिंग्स अपने जैसे नए सेम अपने ही तरह नया प्रोडक्शन करते हैं, प्रोड्यूस करते हैं, उसे हम रिप्रोडक्शन कहते हैं. सो स्टूडेंट्स, फर्स्ट इज लिविंग थिंग्स. फर्स्ट की वर्ड इज लिविंग थिंग, सेकेंड इज नॉन लिविंग थिंग्स, थर्ड इज स्टोमेटा एंड फोर्थ इज रिप्रोडक्शन. So students, in the last, as we know that this lecture is the last lecture related to this chapter. So in the last, let us see the summary of the chapter. Living things differ from non-living things. It means living things non-living things से different होते हैं. And next, living things move on their own. Living thing खुद से मूव कर सकते हैं, बट नॉन लिविंग थिंग्स मूव नहीं कर सकते। लिविंग थिंग्स नीड एयर टू ब्रीथ। लिविंग थिंग्स को ब्रीथ करने के लिए एयर की नीड होती है, बट नॉन लिविंग थिंग्स ब्रीथ नहीं करते हैं। एंड नेक्स्ट, लिविंग थिंग्स नीड फूड टू ग्रो। लिविंग थिंग्स को लिविंग थिंग्स को ग्रो करने के लिए फूड की नीड होती है, बट नॉन लिविंग थिंग्स को फूड की नीड नहीं होती है। लिविंग थिंग्स फील चेंजेस अराउंड देम। लिविंग थिंग्स अपने सराउंडिंग सारे चेंजेस को फील कर सकते हैं, बट नॉन लिविंग थिंग्स चेंजेस फील नहीं कर सकते। लिविंग थिंग्स रिप्रोड्यूस। लिविंग थिंग्स रिप्रोड्यूस कर सकते हैं, मीन्स वे प्रोड्यूस मोर ऑफ देयर ओन काइंड। So, but non-living things they do not reproduce. And non-living things do not move, breathe, need food, grow, feel or reproduce. So students, this chapter is over, and students, you have to you will write the all exercise of this chapter in your fair copy, and the answer, question and word meaning in your CW copy and fair copy also, and learn the all exercise of this chapter also. So students, goodbye and take care. We will meet again in my next video and with the next chapter. Your next chapter is the parts of a plant. Okay, goodbye.